Right. Oh. You silly boy. You silly boy. Oh, yeah. Down on the floor. Do it on the floor. Like you were before. He had it on the floor and he was hitting his head on the floor. I wanted him to do that, so I showed him. I went like that. Now that's what he's going to do.
Oh, no.
Oh, your grandma can't get down there on the floor. That's for sure.
Okay, I sent you 2 emails.
Okay.
With 5 pictures each.
Okay.
And then there's the one for the other.
Great. Okay. Cute.
I gotta get working on the,
Oh.
for the
Great.
slideshow.
Thank you.
Oh.